Delayed climate action will lock in centuries of extreme heat. The longer the world delays reaching net zero carbon emissions, the more frequent, intense, and prolonged heat waves will become. And these conditions will persist for centuries, even after emissions are halted. New research from the ARC Center of Excellence for 21st Century Weather and CSIRO demonstrates that delaying climate action doesn't just postpone warming, it locks in extreme heat for future generations. Long-term heat wave trends researchers used advanced climate modeling and supercomputers to simulate heat wave patterns over a millennium, testing various net zero timelines between 2030 and 2060. The results consistently showed that even after emissions reach zero, heat waves will not revert to pre-industrial levels for at least 1,000 years. Key findings: systematic increase. Each 5-year delay in reaching net zero led to hotter, longer, and more frequent heat waves. No reversal. Heat wave trends showed no significant decline within the 1,000-year simulation period, even after net zero was achieved. Southern Ocean impact. Long-term warming in the Southern Ocean may exacerbate heat waves even after emissions are neutralized. Escalating severity. Regions delaying net zero until 2050 or later face increasingly severe heat waves. Vulnerable regions at greatest risk, countries near the equator, are particularly vulnerable. Under delayed net zero scenarios, historically rare and extreme heat wave events could occur annually or more frequently. This poses significant risks to human health, infrastructure, and ecosystems. The research underscores the urgency of rapid decarbonization. The longer the world waits, the more irreversible the consequences will become. Expert calls for immediate action. Professor Sarah Perkins-Kirkpatrick of the Australian National University, lead author of the study, challenges the assumption that conditions will improve after net zero. Our work challenges the general belief that conditions after net zero will begin to improve for future generations. While our results are alarming, they provide a vital glimpse of the long-term future, allowing effective and permanent adaptation measures to be planned and implemented. It's also vitally important that we make rapid progress to permanent net zero. The study, published in Environmental Research, Climate, emphasizes that reaching global net zero by 2040 is critical to minimizing the severity of future heat waves. Beyond this timeline, adaptation measures will become increasingly challenging, and the long-term consequences will be unavoidable. The findings serve as a stark warning. Delaying climate action is not just postponing a problem. It is locking in centuries of extreme heat for future generations.